Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to be a YouTuber. You might be thinking, why would I want to be a YouTuber? Isn't that a lot of work? Well, it can be a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun. And if you're passionate about something, then you should definitely try it out. Ideas. The first thing you need to do is to come up with an idea for your channel. What are you going to make videos about? What are you passionate about? Once you have an idea, the next step is to start planning and filming your videos. There is no one answer to this question, as people can come up with ideas in many different ways. However, some tips that may help include brainstorming with others, taking a walk, or doing something creative to get the juices flowing, and keeping a journal to jot down ideas as they come. Additionally, it can be helpful to read up on a variety of topics and think about how they could be applied in new or innovative ways. Some people believe that the best ideas come from a place of creativity and spontaneity, while others believe that the best ideas come from careful planning and research. Ultimately, it is up to the individual to decide what makes an idea good and where the best ideas come from. Audience. An audience is a group of people who participate in a show or performance, either as individuals or as members of a group. They may be customers, clients, patrons, or spectators. The word audience comes from the Latin word audientia, which means hearing or listening. Audiences are often seen as passive recipients of information, but they can also be active participants in the communication process. They may interact with the performers or artists, or with each other. The level of interaction will vary depending on the type of performance and the relationship between the audience and the performers. Some audiences are there to be entertained, while others are there to learn or be informed. The purpose of the audience will affect the way they receive and process the information presented to them. For example, an audience that is there to be entertained is likely to be more forgiving of mistakes than an audience that is there to learn. The size of the audience can also affect the way the information is received. A large audience is more likely to be diverse, with different people having different reactions to what is presented. A small audience is more likely to be homogeneous, with everyone having a similar reaction. The audience's level of knowledge about the subject matter can also affect the way they receive information. An audience that is already familiar with the subject matter is likely to be more critical of the presentation than an audience that is not familiar with the subject matter. The audience's attitude towards the performers or artists can also affect the way they receive information. An audience that is supportive of the performers is likely to be more forgiving of mistakes than an audience that is not supportive. The audience's emotions can also affect the way they receive information. An audience that is feeling positive emotions is likely to be more receptive to the information than an audience that is feeling negative emotions. There are many factors that can affect the way an audience receives and processes information. The important thing for the performers or artists to remember is that the audience is not a single entity. Each member of the audience is an individual, with their own thoughts, feelings, and reactions. Starting. To get started, you'll need a camera, some editing software, and a good idea of what you want to say in your videos. If you don't have any experience with editing software, there are plenty of tutorials on YouTube that can help you out. When looking for tutorials to learn from, it is important to consider the following factors. The quality of the tutorial. Make sure to look for reviews or testimonials from other students before enrolling in any course. The teaching style of the instructor. Some people learn from video tutorials, while others prefer written guides. Choose the format that you think will work best for you. The price of the tutorial. While you don't want to spend a lot of money on something you're not sure you'll use, you also don't want to choose a free tutorial that isn't very comprehensive. The level of the course. If you're a beginner, look for tutorials that are specifically designed for people with your skill level. Promotion. Once you have your videos edited and uploaded, it's time to start promoting a channel. You can do this by sharing your videos with your friends and family, and also by posting them on social media. There are many ways to promote your videos. You can post them on social media, on your website or blog, or on video sharing websites. You can also promote your videos through email marketing, paid advertising, or by creating a video marketing plan. There is no guarantee that any one video will go viral on YouTube, but there are a few things you can do to improve your chances. Use descriptive and keyword-rich titles. Use tags. Optimize your thumbnail image. Create transcripts of your videos. Provide content that educates, entertains, or both. The most important thing is to just keep at it and have fun. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave us a comment below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.